In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down menu in Google Sheets. This is an incredibly useful feature that can help you streamline data entry and ensure consistency in your spreadsheet. Whether you're managing a small project, creating a survey, or organizing information, a drop-down menu can be a real game changer. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step to get you up and running in no time. First, you'll want to open your spreadsheet and decide where exactly you want your drop-down menu to appear. This often depends on the layout of your data and the structure you need for easy access and usability. You might choose a single cell or an entire column depending on your specific needs. Just for this video, let's use the ages of persons as a sample. Once you've pinpointed the location, it's time to move on to the next step. Head over to the top menu and click on Data. From there, you'll see a range of options. We're interested in the one labeled Data Validation. This is the tool we'll be using to create our drop-down list. It's an efficient way to guide you through the process of customizing and setting up your data entry points with minimal hassle. When you click Data Validation, a window will pop up offering different settings for your cell. Here, you'll want to choose List from the Criteria drop-down menu. This selection is crucial because it ensures that only the items you specify will appear in your drop-down menu. This feature is especially useful for limiting user entries to your predefined list, keeping your data clean and uniform. Next, you'll notice a button labeled Source appearing right next to where you're entering your criteria. Go ahead and give that a click. This step allows you to select the range of data you want to include in your drop-down menu. Scroll through your spreadsheet and highlight the cells that contain the selections you wish to appear in your list. These could be anything from simple yes or no options to a more extensive list of items tailored entirely to your specific needs. Once you've selected the desired cells, press Enter, then confirm your choices by clicking OK. This action finalizes the list and commits your settings. Now you should see a small arrow appear next to the cell where you click to install your drop-down menu. By clicking on this arrow, you'll be able to easily access and choose from the list of items you've just configured, ensuring smooth and accurate data entry. And there you have it. You've successfully created a drop-down menu in Google Sheets. This technique not only makes data entry more efficient, but also minimizes the potential for errors by restricting input to a set list of choices. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that your new skill will enhance the management of your spreadsheets. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips on mastering Google Sheets and other digital tools.